Welcome to our YouTube video on forearm exercises. Today we will be showing you 6 effective exercises to strengthen and tone your forearms. Let's get started. Exercise number 1. Barbell palms down wrist. Curl over a bench. Begin by slowly lowering the barbell as far as you can by bending your wrists while keeping the rest of your arms still. Hold this position for a moment to maximize the stretch in your forearm muscles. Then, gradually raise the barbell upward by bending your wrists, bringing them slightly above your knees. Repeat this movement, ensuring your forearms remain stationary throughout the exercise. Moving on to exercise number 2. Barbell. Standing back wrist curl. Keep your feet hip-width apart, your back straight, and your elbows close to your body. Slowly bend your wrists up and lift the barbell by bending your wrists, while keeping the rest of your arms still. Hold the position at the top of the movement for a second, squeezing your forearm muscles. Slowly lower the barbell to the starting position, maintaining control of the movement at all times. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Exercise number 3. Easy barbell. Reverse grip curl. Stand straight with your feet shoulder-width apart and your elbows close to your torso. Avoid swinging your body or using your back to lift the weight. Slowly move the barbell upward while keeping your elbows stable. Ensure controlled and steady movement, avoiding jerky motions. Lower the bar down until your arms are fully extended to maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Next up is exercise number 4. Wrist roller. Start with the weight under the roller and slowly raise the weight toward your hands by rolling the roller back and forth. Use your wrists and forearms to lift the weight, not your body or shoulders. Once the weight reaches the top, reverse the process by slowly straightening the weight again. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions, maintaining control of the weight throughout. Let's move on to exercise number 5. Reverse wrist curl. Place your forearm on your thigh or the edge of the bench with your hand on the edge. Slowly lower the dumbbells as far as you can, allowing your wrist to fully extend. Next, curl the weight up toward the ceiling as high as you can, bending your wrist. Slowly lower the dumbbells to the starting position, then repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Finally, exercise number 6. Dumbbell over bench wrist curl. Place your forearms on your thighs with your wrists hanging over the edge of your knees, gripping the dumbbells firmly. Slowly lower the dumbbells as far as you can, extending your wrists down and keeping your forearms still. Raise the dumbbells as high as you can, while keeping your forearms flat on your thighs, squeezing your forearm muscles at the top of the movement. Repeat for the required number of repetitions, maintaining control of the dumbbells throughout the exercise. Remember to subscribe to our channel, activate the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to check out our previous video on abdominal exercises. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.